Alright, members of the Mozart subreddit, this is going to be a video on my 2009 Hoover Wind Tunnel T series pet edition, bagged. I don't know if you knew this. It's the holiday season. I just thought I would redo videos on my vacuum collection, and I thought I would just start with this one. So I got this vacuum for free, actually, don't ask how. New in box, for free. I must say, it's a good vacuum. However, it's not something you'd want to use if you live in humid weather because of the way the base is. I think it has something to do with this, but the belt will just stop and stretch out, which is no bueno, but it's winter and it's not humid, so I mean it's fine. Plus this is like low pile air rugs. I must say I quite like this vacuum. When it wants to perform well, it performs pretty well. I only just started using it over the past couple months, to be honest, and I must say it's a really good vacuum. I enjoy it a lot. So there's nothing else really to say about it. And I literally just set this up, so I mean there's pine needles everywhere. So yeah, I guess I will just get started. So, that was my 2009 Hoover T-Series bagged, and I hope you enjoy it.